Welcome to Potter's Sprinkler Tech Focus, where we examine the innovative features that make our products the industry standard. Today we will explore the features of the Potter Advanced Air Maintenance Device that make it so easy to install and set. The Potter Advanced Air Maintenance Device, Advanced AAMD, is a field-adjustable pressure regulating device used to keep nitrogen or air pressure at the correct level in dry pipe and pre-action fire sprinkler systems. It can also be used to control pressure in dry pilot line systems of dry pilot actuated deluge or pre-action valves. When small leaks occur in the fire sprinkler system, the AAMD allows small amounts of nitrogen or air into the system to keep it at the required minimum pressure. When the sprinkler system operates in a fire situation, the sudden loss of pressure overcomes the AAMD's ability to replace the lost nitrogen or air through a 3/32 restricted orifice, allowing the valve to open as intended. The Potter AAMD is assembled in the USA using corrosion-resistant all-brass construction. It comes with a custom high-resolution 2-inch dial pressure gauge to ensure accuracy, while the adjustment knob makes it easy to set the pressure settings on the UL 252 listed regulator without tools. The AAMD is installed between an air or nitrogen supply, which typically operates at a higher pressure than the pressure needed for the system to properly operate, and the dry or pre-action sprinkler system. The AAMD must be installed in the proper orientation, with the sprinkler system being downstream of the regulator and the nitrogen or air supply upstream of the regulator. Remember that each sprinkler system must have a dependable nitrogen or air supply capable of filling the system within 30 minutes in accordance with NFPA standards. The AAMD should be installed in an accessible location to permit periodic inspection and field adjustment. In accordance with NFPA standards, each sprinkler system is required to have its own dedicated air maintenance device. It can be installed in any 360-degree orientation to accommodate a number of installation applications. Once you have determined the appropriate location of the advanced AAMD and physically installed it into the supply line, you must then determine the correct operating pressure required for the sprinkler system. This pressure setting is provided by the manufacturer of the dry pipe, pre-action, or deluge valve. This information can often be found in the valve manufacturer's datasheet. Next, close the 1/4-inch regulator inlet ball valve, the 1/4-inch regulator outlet ball valve, and the 1/2-inch bypass ball valve. Then, turn on the automatic nitrogen or air supply. Note, do not pressurize the sprinkler system above the set pressure of the regulator. The regulator is factory set to approximately 40 psi. To check the current setting on the advanced AAMD, open the 1/4-inch regulator inlet ball valve. Remember, the pressure gauge should read approximately 40 psi. If the sprinkler system operating pressure is to be different from the factory setting, you will need to field adjust the pressure settings. To field adjust the pressure settings of the Potter Advanced Air Maintenance Device, first ensure that the inlet ball valve is open and the outlet and bypass valves are in the closed position. Then, pull out on the adjustment knob of the regulator until it clicks into adjustment position. To increase sprinkler system pressure, turn the adjustment knob of the regulator clockwise until the desired pressure is achieved. To reduce sprinkler system pressure, turn the adjustment knob counterclockwise to at least 5 psi lower than the desired pressure. Then adjust clockwise to desired pressure. Note, always approach the desired pressure from a lower pressure to avoid minor readjustment after making a change in pressure setting. Once the correct sprinkler system pressure has been set, push the adjustment knob in until it clicks into the locked position. You have now field adjusted the pressure setting and can continue the installation process. Next, we need to fill the fire sprinkler system to its operational pressure. Begin by closing the inlet valve and opening the bypass valve. Observing the pressure gauge on the supply side of the sprinkler valve, fill the system to 5 psi below operating pressure. Once it reaches desired pressure, close the 1/2-inch bypass valve. Open the 1/4-inch regulator inlet ball valve and check to make sure regulator is set at desired sprinkler system pressure. Open the 1/4-inch regulator outlet ball valve and allow the sprinkler system to slowly pressurize to the desired operating pressure. The Potter Advanced Air Maintenance Device is now operational. For detailed installation instructions or for more information about the Potter Advanced Air Maintenance Device, please visit our website at www.pottersignal.com.